Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 29th June 2021. In the international market, quarter-end rebalancing is happening at major investors of US bonds. At the same time, all eyes are on Friday's non-farm payrolls to get a sense of US economic health. US 10-year closed at 149 percentage points and 30-year at 210 on Monday. Did you know that UK's consumer price index inflation came in at 2.1 percentage points in May, exceeding forecasts and surpassing the bank's 2% target for the first time in almost 2 years? Core inflation, which excludes volatile food and energy prices, picked up from 1.3 percentage points in April to 2% in May. Here, also the same story. Central banks are holding the rates low, expecting inflation to be transitory. The same transitory inflation playbook across US, UK, EU, Canada, China, and in our India. In the crude oil market, OPEC Plus meeting is near and they face the major hurdle for easing the oil production cuts. EU and US are staring down at Delta variant, where the fear is rising and the travel restrictions are being imposed once again in many of the countries. With the Delta plus fear in mind, crude is trading down at $74.49 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 74 to 77. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 91.93. Short-term range or today's range for DXY will be 91.60 to 92.32. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 646. USD INR with a high of 74.27 closed at 74.19 near day's low of 74.18. USD INR's today's range would be 74.05 to 74.40. Watch out, USD INR is trying hard to break 74.30 levels, above which 74.50 is certain. In the domestic market, the fear of inflation and policy normalization was felt in yesterday's trading session. On Friday, crude had breached $75 per barrel psychological mark and marching ahead, which is a cause of concern for RBI to contain inflation. 585-2030 closed at 606 versus 604 the previous trading day. 563-2026 closed at 573 versus 569 the previous trading day. If we talk about the trading strategy for the week, 664-2035 is now at 675. 563-2030 is at 573. Both are looking attractive, but as we said yesterday, do not jump in to buy immediately without consulting our research and trading team. GSEP announcements will surely give you good trading profit if you can time it well and have the audacity to average out the positions if needed. Watch out, fiscal data on Wednesday. Trading range for 585-2030 would be 603 to 608. Please note that we have revised the trading ranges from 601 to 605 to 603 to 608. Night research team will be available with SDL auction cutoffs by 10:40 a.m. Expect 10-year SDLs to be near 690 levels today. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.